Today I'm going to be showing you how I like to fix my hair half up. I usually use this technique as a day 2 or later style after washing, as is the case here. Start with rough, dried, dirty, or curled hair to give a look of effortless texture. I section my hair in two, keeping the top section mostly along the parietal ridge and crown, or rather sectioning just above the temple. I take that section and put it in a high ponytail. While holding the ponytail, I push the whole section forward and then cross 2 bobby pins to hold it in place. Once pinned, you can pull it out in parts on the front to make the front section taller, or even comb it to smooth down those tiny, unruly hairs. I tighten the ponytail by splitting it in two and pulling the sections apart. Then back comb the ponytail, making it large and fluffed. I'm using a wide tooth comb to back comb, but you can use a fine tooth or a wet brush or any type of brush or comb that you'd like. I will then wrap the ponytail around, forming a large messy bun, and then use another bobby pin to hold it in place. Use your fingers or comb to fluff out and tease underneath and on top of the remaining hair that's down. Finish by spraying with your favorite dry texture spray. I'm using Davines dry texture spray today. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram under @AshleyReneeHair.